Okay, this is a conversion problem that's a little bit different, and there's one of these in your homework. So let's look at how we do this. We start with 5.6 centimeters cubed. We want to change that or convert it into meters cubed. So we know that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So that's our equality. We can use that to write conversion factors. So let's start with our problem. We've got 5.6 centimeters cubed. We write our conversion. We write 1 meter on top and 100 centimeters on the bottom. But we've got a problem here. Here we have centimeters cubed, which is centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. Here we just have 1 centimeter. Now the way we solve this problem is by cubing the whole conversion factor. So let's put brackets around it and we'll cube the entire thing. So when we rewrite this, we'll get 5.6 centimeters cubed. This becomes 1 meter cubed. And this is 100 cubed centimeters cubed. When we expand this, we'll get 5.6 centimeters cubed, 1 meter cubed. This will be a million centimeters cubed. Okay, so now this shall work because centimeters cubed will cancel centimeters cubed. And our answer will be 5.6 times 10 to the minus 6th. Centimeters has canceled and we're left with meters cubed.